Hey guys, welcome back to my another PowerPoint tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this intro animation in PowerPoint. Before starting this video, please subscribe our channel. I will create this intro animation by using 3 steps. In the step 1, I will show you how to create this. And step 2, I will show you how to create this. Finally, in the step 3, I will show you how to combine the step 1 and step 2. So, let's start step 1. At first, we have to take a blank slate. Then take an oval shape and drag it in here. Go to Shape Fill and select No Fill. And also select Align Middle. We need 2 more copies of this oval shape. So duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D and set them as same distance and align middle. Now we have to take another oval shape for animation. So take an oval shape, then go to Animation and select Earth Animation. Then right click over the animation and select Edit Point. Now we have to drag the point. Set the endpoint of this animation in center of this slide. Edit the other point to adjust the line of animation with the circle. We have to adjust the line perfectly. After adjust the line perfectly, press Ctrl+D to duplicate one more copy and change its align center and align middle. Then press again Ctrl+D to duplicate one more copy to set its position in opposite corner. Now select this animation and change its direction as the endpoint adjusts at center of this slide. Now select these 2 animation and change its duration 5 seconds and also select Start with PBS. Drag the second animation in above. Then select this oval shape and duplicate 5 more copies by pressing Ctrl+D. Then go to Animation pane and increase the delay by 0.02 second after 1 by 1. After increasing delay, select this all oval shape and change its align left and align top. Let's see the animation how looks like. Perfect. Now duplicate this all oval shape again by pressing Ctrl+D and drag their animations to before just one animation. Repeat this step 2 or 3 times. Then select this all oval shapes and change its align left and align top. Let's see the animation how looks like. Perfect. Then select this animation and drag it down and change its delay 0 second. We need to repeat the same procedure that was applied a little earlier. So I am doing it in speed mode. Okay, I'm done. Let's see the animation how looks like. Perfect. Step 1 is complete. Perfect. Step 1 is complete. In the step 2, I will show you how to create this animation. So, let's start step 2. For creating a step 2, we must have to take a piece from this oval shape, which is 45 degrees. Then remake the oval shapes again by using this piece. So let's see how I take this piece. At first we have to take an oval shape and change its height and width 6 inches. Also change its align center and align middle. Then duplicate this shape by pressing Ctrl+D and go to edit shapes and select rectangle shape. Just follow the step what I do for take a piece from this oval shape. Okay, I get that piece. Now we have to remake the oval shape using this piece. Just duplicate this piece by pressing Ctrl+D and change its rotation 45 degree. Do it again. Repeat this procedure until remake the oval shapes using this piece. Okay, I'm done. I'm changing the color and outline with my satisfaction. You can change it with your satisfaction. Now it's time to animation. So select just one piece and apply the spin animation on this piece. Then change the spin rotation 45 degree and press enter. This animation will start with previous. Double click on the animation painter and apply the animation in all the piece. Let's see the animation how looks. Perfect. I will keep the animation with a small circle and hide the outside of this circle. So let's take a rectangle shape and drag it over the full slide. And also take a oval shape and drag it in center of this slide. Now select this rectangle and oval shape and go to merge shape and select combine. Let's see the animation how looks. Perfect. Perfect. I am going to apply the shadow effect on these pieces to make this animation better. So, select all the pieces by pressing Ctrl plus A and go to shadow effect option, then set the value. Transparency is 72, blur is 12, angle is 140 and distance is 20. It's look better than before. Apply the shadow effect. Now I am inserting my logo. You can insert your logo. Then decrease the size of this logo and send it back. Perfect. Now I will change the color of this shape. So select gradient fill and its stripe radial. Just see which color I am selecting. You can select your own color. It's look awesome. We need to hide the pieces. So take an oval shape and apply gradient. Interchange the position of these two colors. Then increase its size and press again Ctrl plus D and decrease its size. Press again Ctrl plus D. Then select this and this shape and go to Merge Shape. Select Combine. Now select this shape and apply Shape Out animation. It will be a start with previous and change its duration 1.5 seconds. It's perfect. Finally, we complete the step 2. Now I will show you a step 3. In a step 3, I will show you how to combine a step 1 and a step 2. At first, we have to go in the first right and take an oval shape. Then apply the appear animation 2 times on this oval shape. Then select this 2 appear animation and select start with previous and change its delay 4.25 seconds. Now we have to go in the second slide and press Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus C to copy all the element. Then paste it on the first slide by pressing Ctrl plus B. Drag their animation in the middle of appear animation. Then select all the oval shape and click on Bring to Font and change its color. We have to do it with all this oval shape also. Let's see the animation how looks like. We have to increase its size to make it perfect. There is a big fault. The red color is not hiding. We have to hide them. So select all this oval shape and apply the zoom out animation. This zoom out animation will start with PBS and change its delay 4.5 seconds. Perfect. Finally, we complete this animation. I hope you must be like this. Please comment how you like the video. We will create more interesting video. Subscribe our channel to get our new video at first. Thanks for watching.